Mixy, mixy, mixy. Look, she came right back where, like, that's her spot apparently. A little bit better. I need a butter stirrer too, so it cooks more evenly. Those pans are dope. I want to make one, or I want to make brownies in it. Oh, that's a great idea. Yeah, when it gets all the crispy edge pieces are everywhere. Yeah, those are the best. Okay, mostly melted. Actually, I think if I stir it, it'll be melted. Yeah? Maybe? Oh my god, butter smells so good. I think that counts as, 15 more seconds. Just to be safe. Oh, I almost spilled it. Making a mess. Yeah, for a girl who hasn't been able to eat for like a week, that butter smell, I just want to drink that butter straight. Also, pan-fried cornbread known as Johnny cakes are also good. Is that what a Johnny cake is? I didn't know a Johnny, I've heard many definitions of a Johnny cake and I never fully understood what one is, but if a Johnny cake is just a cornbread pancake, that makes a lot of sense. How's Lana? She's good. I think she doesn't seem like she's limping anymore. So yeah, I think she's doing pretty good. She was really limping, then she got better, then she got injured again, and now she looks good. She doesn't look like she's protecting it at all. So I think Lana's all better. Ooh, much better. Okay. Butter is nicely melted. The honey is mostly incorporated. Okay, let's mixy, mixy. Mixy, 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 mixy. Ooh, I got the perfect size vessel for this. Well, is 4 cups gonna fit in here? I think we're at, yeah, it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be like up to the top, but I think we can fit 4 cups on top of there. Yeah, pretty much. Johnny cakes are pretty much cornbread. I'm super excited about that. I won't be able to eat them, but I would be more than happy to make them for the shelter or for my family, my husband, the kids, guests. Oh, speaking of cooking for guests, I was just asked to host my sister's wedding shower. It's like a bridal shower, groomsman shower combined thing. And I'm also going to help host her bachelorette party, as they're calling it. So that's so I'm going to have, I don't even know how many people she's inviting to the bridal shower, wedding shower, but there's going to be a lot of people up in my house. And so I think I'm going to cook all the like appetizers or hors d'oeuvres or whatever we're making. I think I'm going to cook it on stream and prep it all. It'll be like the time we did Thanksgiving for the shelter where I had to cook, Thanksgiving dinner for 75 people or something like that. Or was it 60 people? Might have been 60 people. I can't remember. I just remember we made 10 turkeys. But it'll be like that where it'll be a lot of prep work and then freezing some stuff ahead of time. And then on the day of, I'll just put it all together. But I'm excited for, I don't know what she wants, but I think it has to be vegan. Nothing against vegan. My vegan cooking skills are not good. I can order takeout, or I can do a lot of vegetarian dishes. Maybe I'll like try to lean vegetarian, but I know when she had her engagement party, everything was vegan. And there were so many people at the place who were at the party who were so relieved. Everything was vegan. I mean, I don't think everyone who was at the party was vegan, but I think my sister has a very large population of her friends who are vegetarian vegan, and they were just so relieved that they could eat anything there. And I think I like that better than people asking, can I eat this? Can I eat that? Like being more, so I might have to do a whole vegan wedding party thing. And then when they leave, I'm gonna make a giant ass steak. If a toy from Toy Story died, the kids wouldn't know, and the other toys would have to watch the kids play with their corpses. That is morbid as fuck, Triad. I don't think toys can die though. That's the whole good part, is they never die. You can't kill them. They just, remember what Sid did to all the kids? The other toys, they just became deformed. They never die. You can't die as a toy in Toy Story. What's the white sippy cup? Bales, this is Korean roasted barley tea called poricha. I'm fasting, doing a cleanse, and not drinking for, I don't know, until I feel better. It kind of sucks. I would usually